Schneider, what is a brachioplasty?
So brachioplasty is just a term for what we call an arm lift. I'm just going to demonstrate with this patient here. Oftentimes women, or some men even too, will have loose skin or heavy, thick areas under their arms. So what we do for that is we always do a liposuction to make it as thin as possible. So we remove fat first, and then we excise or remove the loose skin. Our goal with arm lifts is always to make the incision as faint and small and thin as possible. So sometimes, surgeons will put the incision in this area of the arm, which leads to a very unsightly scar.
Yeah, that's a beautiful incision line.
We want to keep it very low on the arm so that we don't see it from the front or from the back.
Wow, that looks great. Now, this patient here, she's just 1 week post-op. So you can see results right away, it looks like.
Exactly. People are going to see the results immediately. Now, everyone is going to wear a compression garment after surgery too, because we want the skin to get nice and tight after surgery.
Yeah, that makes sense. And how long would a person wear that compression garment after brachioplasty?
Usually they wear those for about 4 to 6 weeks. Some people will wear it longer because they like the kind of snugness of the feeling after surgery, and it can provide some pain relief as well.
Yeah, that makes sense. And when can somebody go back to work?
Generally, 2-3 days if they're really motivated and they don't have a job where they're doing a lot of strenuous activity or lifting. I'd say on average people take 3 to 5 days off work, but I've had some people do surgery on like a Thursday or Friday and go back to work on Monday.
Oh wow, that's great to know. You don't have to take a lot of time off then.
No, the recovery is pretty straightforward. I mean, everyone's going to get some pain medication, they're going to have some antibiotics, and they're going to have their compression garment. We ask everyone to take arnica prior to surgery and after surgery to diminish any kind of bruising.
Oh cool, and where would I get that arnica?
Arnica, usually we have patients get it at like Amazon or at a natural whole food store. It's a herbal supplement that's available over the counter.
Oh, that's great to know. And how about working out? What if somebody wanted to work out? How long would they have to take?
Yeah, usually we want them to really take it easy after arm surgery because you're going to be lifting weights, things like that. We don't want you to stress the incision line because we don't have any sutures on the skin. Everything is done underneath the skin. There's going to be some skin tape right after surgery, but I don't want people working out for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Everybody does a 1 week follow-up and then again at 6 weeks before they kind of go back to that strenuous activity.
Oh, okay. So they come back at 6 weeks and then you'd be able to let them know if they can work out.
For sure.